Claus live?
The North Pole.
The North Pole. Question 1, correct. Right, the song 12 Days of Christmas, the song 12 Days of Christmas, how many verses does that song have?
2.
Ooh. The song 12 Days of Christmas, how many verses does that song have?
12.
12! Whoa! Who'd have thought? There we go. Question number 2. Right, that's 1 and 2, right? And we'll go for question number 3. Rihanna's current single in the charts, lovely wee tune, played on Capital FM all the time. What's it called?
Yellow Diamonds.
Diamonds. That means, Iona, you got 3 out of 3 correct. You are a winner! Okay, get yourself a lovely card and book and an advent card. Well done, pal. Right, cheers. Right, 2 contestants down. 2 contestants down, 1 more to go. Ladies and gentlemen, make